Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own custom Minecraft menu. First, locate your Minecraft installation directory and the resource packs folder. Inside, create a new folder for your custom pack, perhaps named My Custom Menu. Within this, you'll need an Assets folder, then Minecraft, and finally Textures and GUI subfolders. This structure is crucial for the game to recognize your custom elements. We'll start by placing our custom background image here. Now, let's replace the default background. Take your prepared image and rename it to background, PNG. Place this file inside your assets/minecraft/textures/GUI/title folder. This tells Minecraft to use your image instead of the standard one. Additionally, you might want to clear out the splashes. TXT file in the assets/minecraft/texts folder to remove the yellow splash text that usually appears on the title screen, giving your menu a cleaner look. Next, we'll tackle the buttons. You can create custom textures for buttons like single player or multiplayer. These textures should be placed in the assets/minecraft/textures/GUI/widgets folder. For changing the text on these buttons, you'll need to edit the language file, typically NUS. JSON, found in assets/minecraft/lang. Here, you can redefine the text strings associated with each menu item, giving your menu a truly unique feel. To finalize your custom menu, create a pack. McMeta file in the root of your resource pack folder. This file contains essential information like the pack format and a description. Once that's done, launch Minecraft, go to Options, then Resource Packs, and move your new pack to the selected column. Your custom menu should now be active. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your personalized Minecraft experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.